Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Firdaus Eviansa, but you can call me Daus, and my last three number of name is 441. Today I will explain to you about French criminal law. First, France is a leader in the civil law system, which means justice is based on clear written rules, not just what judge decides in court. This system has shaped law in many countries, including parts of Europe and beyond. Today, we'll explore how it works from the main codes to the key rules that make it fair. Let's start our journey through France's way of handling crimes and keeping society safe. First, the civil law foundation. At the heart of French law is the civil law style, unlike some style that's really on past court case. Civil law use the tile codes written by lawmakers. These codes cover everything from family rules to business deal. But for crimes, the big one is the French Penal Code or Code Penal. It starts in 1994 and replaced an older code from 1810, which was made during the time of Napoleon. The new code added ideas like protecting important national things such as security and the enforcement. Think of it as a big guide for crimes. It lists what acts are wrong, like stealing or hurting someone, and say how to punish them. For example, minor theft might get a fine, while serious crimes could mean years in jails. This setup helps everyone know the rules ahead of the time, make the system clear and steady. But having law is not enough. You need a way to use them. That's where the Code of Crime Procedure or Code de Procedure Penale comes in. This code maps out the whole process of a crime case from start to finish. It begins with police checks where officers gather facts and talk to witnesses. Then, if there are enough proof and prosecutor decides to charge the person, next comes the trial in court, where the judge and sometimes a jury listen to both sides. Finally, if guilty, the sentence is carried out, like paying a fine or serving time. It's like a step-by-step guide to make sure everything is fair and quick. For instance, in a real case like a robbery, the police might use camera or fingerprints to build evidence. This code ensures no one is rushed or treated unfairly, and it helps victims get justice too. So, what really makes French criminal law so strong? It's built on a simple but powerful rules that protects people's rights. First, the legacy rules say you can punish someone for something not listed as a crime in the code. No surprise or matter. This keeps things honest. Next, non-retroactivity means new laws don't apply to old action. So, if you did something legal back then, you can be punished now. Then, proportionally make sure punishment fit the crime. A small mistake don't get a huge penalty. For example, speeding might just be a ticket, not prison. Individuality focus on personal blame. You can punish a whole family for one person act and Nestle say use crime laws only when needed, like trying talk or warning first. These rules create a kind system that aims to fix people, not just punish them. Fun fact, France was one of the first country to ban the death penalty in 1981, showing how this principle lead to more humane justice. Next, modern challenge and reforms. Of course, French criminal law is not stuck in the past, it's changed to face today. A big problem. Think cybercrimes where hackers steal data online, the code now includes rules for that. Or terrorism. For example, after attack in Paris, laws got tougher to stop threats. Even eco harms like polluting rivers are treated as a crime now. Reform have helped victims more with a better support and faster trials. But there are challenges, like too many people in jails can make a problem. So France is trying new ideas such as community service instead of prison. Debates go and about balancing safety with the freedom. So how much power should police have? Overall, the system keeps evolving, learning from global trends like staying true to its root. Next and the last is conclusion. In short, French criminal law blends old tradition with the fresh ideas, all in the clear codes that put fairness first. It's a model for many nations, showing how written rules can guide a justice. Whatever you are, studying law, working in it, or just curious, this system teaches us about balance in a complex world. That's all from me. If there are any mistake, I apologize because humans are prone to mistake. Thank you for watching my video and goodbye.